Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered error 1067, the process terminated unexpectedly, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to do a registry fix. So we'll look for registry editor and click on run as administrator. There we will look for the H key machine, expand it, then expand the system folder, expand the current control set folder, expand services key, and in services we will look for the folder facts. Now I don't have the folder facts because I've already deleted it, but if you have a folder named fax facts, then right click on it and then click on delete. Now if you're using a fax machine, which in today's day and date hardly anybody does, but if you're using it, don't delete it. If you're not, then look for fax, right click and then click on delete, and then you need to run an SFC scan. Go to command prompt, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, yes, and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now the next thing we would do is restart in a clean boot configuration. For that we need to look for system configuration, go to services, and most importantly we need to check this box compulsorily, hide all Microsoft services. Then we will click on those services which we feel are not required for us. Startup of Microsoft. These are all third-party services. Click on disable all, apply OK, and then click on restart, and this error should no longer appear on your system. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.